So here we've got one cicada that just came out of the shell. And over here, we've got one on the way out of the shell. And here's one that started to turn a neon green.
Fully out. Oh, look above. There's a bunch.
Oh, here's a couple more. This has got to be the first time I have ever seen them actually coming out of their shell.
I got 1, 2, 3.
I mean, literally, like, this guy is on the way out. Can you get a close-up on him? Get closer.
Too much light.
Alright, back up a little bit. Yeah, this is nuts. Can we get another shot of this guy's neon wings? The colors on that are very cool. You want to walk around and see if we can...
It's like in a sedated state.
See if we can see any more? It's like they're all only on this chunk.
This side. This one's like... Look, look, look. Look at the color.
He's been out for a while, I think.
No, the greener one has.
You're right. He just made it out. Check this out. Here's a leaf bug over here, man.
He's the night watchman for these guys.
This tree's just teeming with life.
Oh, that's true.
Look, there's one up there too, shiny.
I can't tell if he's already come out or not.
There's a lot of them out here though.
They're protected from the rain, I think, drops, so they're on this side.
Right? You're good, keep walking. I couldn't pull my foot back in time, so I decided to let you step.
I just walked through a big spider web.
Oh, he's on the leaf. Oh, are they on the leaves above me?
Griffey, you're not running away.
I'm freaking them out with the lights, dude. I think they're supposed to be doing this at dark, so I think I'm fucking them up. I don't want to be messing them up.
About the cicada graveyard we had under